Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called number of stickers. So it says, given a Rubik's Cube with a side length of n, return the number of individual stickers that are needed to cover the whole cube. So as you can see, the Rubik's Cube of side length 1 has 6 stickers. So remember, a Rubik's Cube has 6 sides. And this one, this Rubik's Cube has a length of 2, which has 24 stickers. So as you can see, I have 4 stickers on each side. So 4 times 6, because the Rubik's Cube has 6 sides, 4 times 6 is 24. So from the examples, see these are the examples that it showed. So from there on, let's go to the code tab. So right here, as you can see, it's an int function. So we're going to return an int number. And the argument inside is going to be int n. So to do this, we're going to introduce something called POW. POW is going to help us square the int n and find how many stickers the Rubik's Cube has. To use that, we're going to have to use include cmath. Okay, so we're going to return POW n comma 2. Okay, so before I keep on going any further, so POW, as you can see, is used to it's used to whatever power you want. The power of 2, power of 3, power of 4. Let's say power of 3, power of 4, power of whatever you want. But the first number on the left before the comma, that's what's going to be in this case is going to be squared. So let's each side, as you can see. Let's say in the Rubik's Cube with one sticker, it would just be 1 squared. So the answer would be 1, but then we have to multiply it by 6 because there's 6 sides in the Rubik's Cube. So let's say it has, you know, uh, 2 squared is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. So it's got 24 stickers. So this should work for this problem. It should pass all the tests. See, as you can see, it passed all the tests. And if you like this video, please remember to hit the like button and please subscribe if you want to get more Edabit videos. Thank you.